So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I had promised to give you guys the furnished apartment tour. I just came from outside. It's a mess. I'm home today, so I figured why not, because I don't know when I'm gonna have the time to do it again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Mwah. Have a great day. All right guys, so this is me entering the apartment. So first of all, please to excuse our 9,000 shoes that we have right here. We still haven't figured out anywhere to put these as yet, because these are like some of the stuff that we wear every single day that is not able to fit in the closet, and we just don't know where to put them as yet. So that's just there for now. So this is the entrance of the apartment, guys. First, here, exactly as you get into the apartment, there is a door that leads to my bathroom. So basically the bathroom, with that being said, the bathroom basically has two doors. So I'm going to show you guys the bathroom, my bathroom, from this angle. So this is my bathroom. All right. That is the shower over here. Again, that's the bathroom. That's a little thing that I bought to put on the wall because I was kind of in love with the words, pretty much. This is the door, the other door to the bathroom that leads to my bedroom. So I'll show you guys where it goes. So like I said, this door pretty much takes you into the hallway of my bedroom. So here we go. So this is the first closet in the bedroom, which is basically filled with some of my stuff. Excuse the chaos. I still have some fixing up to do, but I don't have the time to do so yet. So please do not judge me, and if you do, you'll be blocked. Thank you. All right. And over here is my husband's closet, one of his closet. He still has a lot of stuff going on as well, so he's not finished with what he's doing. On this side is another one of my closet. Shoes, all kind of stuff all over the place. Still not done fixing up. I have more clothes than places to put them, so that is the issue that I'm having right now. All right, so now we're going into the bedroom. This is my bedroom. Based on my other videos, most of you guys already know my my bedroom set. Nothing has changed where that is concerned. The thing I like about this bedroom, it is obviously way bigger than the one I was in before. The only thing I've changed with this bedroom set is I changed the headboard. It was really dirty because of my hair, so I got Bob's to send me another headboard. So now my furniture set looks brand new again, pretty much. That's the blinds. I don't like curtains. I pretty much rather having blinds. If you look outside, that's basically to the back of my room. It's nothing but woods. I'm pretty much out in a wooded area where I live, to be honest. So that is that. All right guys, so again, this is my bedroom. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with that glass over there. I think I'm gonna have somebody put it on the wall because I don't like it just being there. But again, this is my bedroom, way bigger than what we had before. So this hallway goes back to the main entrance of the bedroom, and from there I'm going to show you guys. So that is the laundry area over here. So basically, like we said, I'm still pretty much fixing up things. Those are two portable heaters that I still don't know where to put as yet, so I just put them in there for now. That's the laundry basket. I have laundry to be done, but I don't have the time to do so as yet. I hate the idea of having a laundry basket in the bathroom, so I just leave it there for now, because the good thing about this is that the doors can be closed. You know what I mean? So now we're gonna go into No, we're not gonna go into the living room areas yet. We're gonna go into my son's room. So this is my son's bedroom. This is his closet over here. You know, he has all kind of stuff going on in the closet. It's a pretty much big enough closet. But yeah, that's basically his closet. This is his bathroom over here. I chose that color for him because I figured it would be much harder to get dirty. He has his laundry basket here that's on him, but I don't like the idea, so I don't put mine in my bathroom. And this is his bedroom. Pretty much the same size as ours. So he has way more space than he's used to as well. The blinds over there. That's the fan. That's his bedroom set. So that's the same bedroom set that he has. He pretty much likes it. He enjoys his room now that he's back into a much bigger space. So that's pretty much his room. Now we're gonna go into the living room area. So this is the living room area. So basically, guys, all the living room stuff that I had from the old apartment, I throw those out completely. These are all new stuff for the living room. So everything else is pretty much the same, but everything in the living room is all new stuff. So I saw this 3-piece table for the living room that I really liked, and I bought it from Bob's. So this is one of the tables. That thing, that vase on top, will be going soon. I bought 2 lamps that I'm waiting for from Bob's that I still haven't received as yet, so that won't be there when those arrive. That is the bigger piece of the table that I bought, and the other piece is over here. I thought they were pretty cute, which is why I added that to my collection. Then we have the sectional. I was in love with this sectional, so I bought this sectional from Bob's as well. I also bought the lamp that is behind the sectional to go with it. I've had that picture for a long while, and I thought that it was still cute enough to go in the living room, so I added that to what I have going on. I bought that blanket on Amazon because I thought it was pretty cute, to the point where I don't even use it. I just put it there as style or whatever. This is the, what do you call this again? TV stand that I also bought. Well, I didn't buy this from Bob's because Bob's had this same stand for like $700 and something, and then I saw that Walmart also had this same stand for like $300 and something, and that's where I got it. Yeah, so again, that is pretty much the living room area. It seemed big to me, but as soon as we put the stuff in, I realized that it was not as big as I think. Yeah, guys, and the main thing that I liked about this TV stand was the fact that it has a little fancy little what you call it, fireplace thingy going on. So again, yeah, that is pretty much the living room area. It's big, but by the time the stuff went in, it got crowded. So, and it's an open concept apartment, so you guys know what I mean. So over here is, so these bar stools I also bought from Bob's because I really liked the colors. So I got 3 of them, even though I wanted 4, but they would not be able to fit, so I just took those. All right, so we're gonna go over to the dining room area. So this is my dining room area, guys. Hopefully I did a pretty good job on this video. I tried. So as you can see, there is a little office space in the dining room area because, like I said, we basically over exaggerated the space of the apartment, and then came to find out that everything might not be able to hold, or we would have an issue. So we didn't have anywhere to put this little office space thingy, little office thingy that we have going on, that my husband uses sometime when he works from home. So we had to put that in the dining area for now. That is my little 4-piece table set that I bought from Bob's, which I've had for a while, so you guys probably know that. I put it over there, but I haven't really done anything for it, dressed it up or do anything like that, because Bob's is supposed to come and switch it out because there's some stains on the chair, and because of the insurance they said that we could replace it. So I'm waiting for them to come and take that out of the apartment. So we are now in the kitchen. So that's the fridge over there, of course. That's the little bar counter space that we have for now. That's the sink over there. That's the stove, obviously. I have my microwave there. I bought a new one. I totally threw out the old one that I have. The main thing that I like about the kitchen is the granite countertop space thing. Also that we have a lot of cupboard space up top and also at the bottom. I bought these little kitchen mats from Amazon. I thought they were really cute. So yeah, so that's basically it for the kitchen area. Let me go back so you guys can see it better from a different angle. So yeah, that's the kitchen area. I'm going pretty fast, so hopefully I did a good job, but I tried. And out here we just have like a little back porch that we don't really use, but because like I said, my apartment is basically to the back of the apartment complex and it's nothing but bushes around there, so we don't even go out there. But yeah, all right, maybe I could show you guys what's going on out there. It's so cold outside though. All right, so this is what is going on out there. Just have a bike out there for now. That's a chair set, and I'm not gonna go outside because it's pretty cold, but that's the backyard. Looks good. Peaceful for the most part, but it's pretty cold, so I can't go there, so that part is over. Guys, so that is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried my best to give you a little synopsis of every area. I'm not necessarily a good video person, so hopefully it was okay. And I was in a little bit of a rush also because I have some other stuff that I need to get done, but I wanted to get that out of the way because I did the empty apartment tour, so I think it only made sense for me to show you guys the furnished apartment tour, even though I have other stuff that I'm waiting for, which I'll show you guys eventually. So we've come to the end of the video. Calm down, Jody. So have a great day, guys.